to just be true to ourselves. Just honor that why. Something truly something brought you out or made you get involved in Ekin. See, I honestly believe, like just from a business perspective, sometimes I find the only reason people do not succeed at this to the extent that they can is because we come into this with such little monies that we don't treat it as a business. Now, be honest with yourself. Had any of you put in $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 into this, would you be doing something differently?
If you put
yes or no?
into it, would
you put in $250,000 into business, would you be doing something different? You know, the ironic part is you can make far more from this, but because we come in with such little monies, we don't do it. Had you put in $250,000 or $100,000 even, you'd be working like a dog from morning till night, 5, 6 days a week. But here, you might talk to 1 or 2 people. So, how fair is that to yourself, first and foremost? How fair is it to your family? Did you come in for time freedom, financial freedom? What brought you in? And all I would ask you to do is just evaluate that one thought. Whatever your why is, just honor it. Because there was a why, there was a reason for coming, or for getting involved with Ekin. See, and to the extent that we involve ourselves in this business, we evolve. It's a process of evolution. And as you grow, your business will grow. We can't tell you how many people's lives we've seen totally transformed because they transformed themselves. They grew as a result of getting involved with Ekin. And it's identity by association. And we've been so blessed because there's so many wonderful people come into our lives and into the lives of our children and others. So take a look at this for what it is. It is a business, but it's a business of immense proportions. Not just the financial side of it. You can always make money. But to have the emotional satisfaction that comes with it, it's truly uplifting and life-giving and relieves a lot of stress. Thank you for your time.